how to add an intro video to your YouTube channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to add an intro, you'll have to open up your YouTube and then go to the profile icon on the top right and tap on View Channel. Now, this will take you to your channel and you'll have to tap on Customize Channel, and after that, you'll be redirected to a page like this. Now, on the left side, you'll see various options. Just scroll down until you find customization. Go ahead and tap on customization. Now, after that, go ahead and click on home tab on the top beside profile and then scroll down, and here you'll see add action. Tap on it and there you'll find channel trailer. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can choose from your videos which you want as an intro video. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.